Here we have the Chef Aid kitchen cooking tongs right here, you guys. I have the 2-pack right here, the 2 set. It is a color black, so they are black and stainless steel. As you guys can see, we have 2 different sizing. This is the big boy, which is 12 inches right here, and then this is the 9-inch. It's a little bit smaller than the big one. As you guys could see, it does have that silicone grip right here, so in case you guys are turning something hot, like maybe a burger or a hot dog or something, this is gonna keep it so it doesn't get burned or none of that good stuff. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to open and close it. All you have to do is squeeze on it, and see this little lever right here. All you have to do is push in, and then it's good to go. It is ready for use just like that, you guys. So when you guys are done and it's cleaning and you're going to put it away, just close it, pull on this tab right here, and it stays in that closed position without having to move it. Okay, so let's move on to the big boy, the 12-inch right here, you guys. Same thing, we squeeze it, we push in on it, and now we're able to use it. You guys could see it has these nice little grooves right here, so you could pick up whatever you want with these little tongs right here, and I do like them. Let's go ahead and close these up. Same thing, we're gonna close it, we're gonna pull on this little tab, and they are good to go just like that, you guys.